depends what type of airplane it is. It's all something.
While we can't show you any individual aircraft, the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust vector maneuvering capabilities. As it executes maneuvers, let you know